Hey guys, welcome to our show.
Yes, welcome to the Ty and Matt
This, but we do know what it is.
toy review show. It's our second one.
And Ty like these plates.
Those aren't toys. We don't want those. All right, today tell them what we're reviewing today. Today we got
Guys, I thought these
Series 1.
Hey guys, I thought this plate was a book.
I'll do it. Today we got the Series 1 Ghostbuster
Yes.
Titan vinyl figures. Our last video was number...
That's
That's a Playmobil. We don't want that guy. We want to open these vinyls because we want to get... Who do we want to get out of this one?
The Ghostbusters.
We want Ghostbusters. We want Stay Puft. We want Terror Dog. We want...
We didn't know
All
what's
of
in
them.
here.
All right, pick one. Oh, how many do they come with? Let's count them out. How many?
Count
Count. 1. This case comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20.
This one comes with 20. Which one? Be a toe. If he hollers, let him go. All right.
God, no.
Oh, can you say that
Let's
rhyme?
see.
Max, say that rhyme for me. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't think that's...
Maybe it's a spider and tail.
I don't think so.
I just
All right, what's the first one here?
feel something bite and tail bite my hand and
What do we got? What do we got? Let's see. Who did we get? Who did we get as our first one?
Wow. This is so exciting.
Oh, we got a... Show the camera, show the camera. A slimed Vankman, right?
by Slimer.
He's all slimed. Let's see, that might be a special rare one. And it is. I think that's a special one. Look, it's this one. Look, it's Vankman.
How do you know it's special?
Because if you look on the side here, it shows you which ones it comes with. And then it has 4. Terror Dog. It has 4 that are question marks. And one of them says Vankman. So it's a, show the camera. It's a slimed Vankman. All right.
You got slime.
What's that? Special guests. We have 2 special guests who are going to pick out some in a little bit. All I want is the glow-in-the-dark Slimer. That's the one I'm going for.
Yeah.
That's the one I would like. It's a Slimer who's white, and that's how you can tell. All right, pick out the next one.
Our stiff
Eeny, miny,
Mo.
Catch a
Just-
flea, miny,
That's
toe.
definitely not how it goes, but okay. This one.
If he hollers, if he goes.
Here we go. All right. Oh, you want to open it? Go right ahead. You open that one. I'm going to open this one. Let's see what we get. Well, you're really tearing into it there.
Yes, I
Careful.
am.
Oh, you're too strong. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Let me open.
I was too strong.
Too strong. Ooh, this feels like a
I
good
just
one.
Rip it off.
I know, like the Hulk. You're like the Hulk. All right, you open that one. Who'd we get? Who'd we get?
It's the tail dog.
Oh, we got a Terror Dog. Mama wants to see it too. Oh! Ooh, that's a scary one. Show the camera. Show the camera.
Hey,
Nice
guys,
and
we
close.
got the
No, look, you can't see it. You gotta get it right here in the over here, right over here. Ooh.
Hey guys, put his legs just like this,
Mm-hmm.
so it can stand much better.
Are you ready for this one? This is how many times my son has watched Ghostbusters. You ready? Here we go. Are you a god?
No.
Then die. If somebody asks you if you're a god, you say yes!
You scream too hard.
Yeah, too loud. We scream too loud. So that was Gozer. All right.
Gozer.
Gozer.
Gozer the Ghostilian.
All right, we're going to do this one, and then we're going to let Mommy pick one out as a surprise guest to pick it out, okay?
Janine.
We got Janine in the Series 2 one also. Alexa, play Ghostbusters. Why not, right? All right, who's in there? Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, I'm so excited. Who's this? Who is that? Oh, it's Ray Stans who's marshmallowed. Guess what? I think that's another. Yeah, that's another secret question mark one. Very cool. He's covered in marshmallows. So we got a slimed Venkman.
We don't know what's in this.
Whoops. All right. Here's a guest appearance. Who wants to pick one out?
Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters.
Oh, Mommy picked the corner one.
Oh, it's my book. I thought it was a book again.
Oh, that's silly. All right, we got guest appearance here. It's a Mama to the toy review. She's coming. This is the part where you hit fast forward. Watch your foot. All right, here's our guest star.
Hope you're having fun watching this.
Oh yes. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow, and all these pop-ups are going to be coming up. I don't know how to do it, but all right, this is going to be Mama's. Mama's opening this one.
We going bye-bye.
Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Let's see. Oh, who we got there? Stands again. We got a marshmallow stands and a regular stands.
We don't know.
Very cool. All right, thank you, guest Mama, for making an appearance. Good luck. Bye-bye. See ya. No, we're just going to put it right here. All right. Mama got it. Of course, Mama got it, the Ghostbuster, huh? No, it's a good one. That's a good one. I know. We all want Marshmallow Man and Slimer. All right, buddy. Here you go.
I love you.
Ooh, I know who this is. Let me feel. Oh, I know who this is. Just by feeling it, I know who it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. How do you know? Well, let's see if it's the white one or the green one. Let's see. Here we go.
It's green slime.
Oh, it's still cool though. We got Slimer.
Look, even different. You can't find me.
Wait, should we reenact a scene? Let's reenact a scene. We have enough people. Where's Venkman? And here's Stans. Watch this. Watch this. Stans. This is Venkman and Slimer. And then this is Stans. Come in, Venkman. Come in, Venkman. I saw it. What does he say? He's right here, Ray.
He's looking at me.
He's looking at me. And then Stans goes, he's an ugly little spud, isn't he? And then I think Venkman says, I think he can hear you, Ray. And then Slimer goes, Aah! And then I think Stan goes, Venkman, Venkman, Venkman. Are you okay? And he goes, oh, I got slimed. And I think Stans goes, what does he say? He's like, that's awesome. Or something like that, right? All right, cool. We can reenact that scene. All right, anyway, back to opening them, right? Right, Dada? This is boring. We gotta open more. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, we need Egon. We need Winston for that, right? Here, let me open this. Don't hurt your fingers. Silly. All right. Who do you think that is by feeling it? I want you to confirm if you think you know who that is.
I didn't know what it is.
You don't know? I don't know. I'm not gonna say it because I don't want to get anybody excited. But let's see if I'm right. Tell me who this is.
Yeah.
I didn't look, but it's
Stay Puft.
no way. Oh, we got Stay Puft Marshmallow Man! Yes! You gotta show the camera this one. Over here so you can see it. Oh! That is awesome.
Let's do it.
Awesome. All right, all we need is the white Slimer, and we got all the special ones.
Look, I see one sticking out.
Uh-huh. Wow, we got 3 out of the 4 chases already. Do you know how awesome that is? All we need is the white Slimer. And we're good. Sorry. All right, open that one. Who's in there? Who's in there? What song? Alexa off.
That's the actual one.
No, it's not. Oh my goodness. We're getting all the good ones today. So now you have the Ecto 1 and the Ecto 1A. Oh, wow. All right. And we got no duplicates yet, which is awesome. You don't want duplicates. You want the whole set, right? Mm-hmm. All right, I want this one. Come on.
In that one.
Come on, glow-in-the-dark Slimer. Come on.
Oh, that's the one that slimed you. And I can do it again. He got him again.
Go ahead. What's this one?
It's Dana.
Dana! Are you the gatekeeper?
I got a big hair.
That is a big hair. Look at the size of her hair. Oh my goodness.
Yes, I have big.
It's Sigourney Weaver. She's in another movie that I really liked called Aliens, but that one you're not going to see for a long time.
They come from number 1.
It's a very scary movie. We'll watch it when you're older, okay? There's a lot of these boxes. We keep the boxes because they're just so cool. All right. Oh, you want this one? All right, here we go. You ready?
I don't know who it is. Except I love the tail dog. I don't know. Over here.
Wow. Okay. Don't go bowling with these. People might want to buy them from our store. If you check the link below, we got our store where you can buy some of these very cool toys. If Ty allows it.
Now we got to get number 3 packets.
If they make, I don't even know if they make it. Check this out. You ready? Who's in here now?
Another Stay Puft.
Another Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. That's unbelievable. Wait.
So cute.
Stay Puft. There's a Stay Puft. Oh, okay. Never mind.
We should return
What's the
this
difference?
one.
What's the difference between... Those two are the same. So actually, that's not the special chase one. I was wrong. It's just the regular one. Oh, man. But there's another one right here, but I don't know what it is. The question mark one. I'm not sure.
Hey, we should sell this one.
Okay, put that one to the side. That'll be the sell pile. All right? So somebody else who's looking for a Stay Puft can get it. That sound good? That's a good idea. And then maybe if we sell it, we could get more.
I can't believe we got Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
I love him. I think he's so cute.
We got 2 of them. Who's that? Oh, it's a regular Venkman. Very cool.
When he got no slime on
No
him.
slime. He's a slime-free one. That's awesome. That is so awesome.
He gonna hold his gun.
His proton pack gun.
He's gonna hold it good.
All right. How many do we have left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9
It's time
left.
to bust him ghost. He bust him.
Time to bust some ghosts. Are you cold? You want to put you in bed or a blanket? Okay. Blanket. All right. Hold on. So I just got to open this one. All right. Open this one. And then we're going to I'm going to do timeout. Get Mommy a blanket.
Okay.
Let's see. Who did we get? Oh! Egon! Do. Ray.
Egon.
Egon! Alright, so we're just missing Winston. Wow. We're gonna get another whole set of the Ghostbusters, I guess.
Cross the streams.
He says strings. Cross the strings. Alright, we're almost done. We got 8 left. 8 left to go.
Look what they are doing. They are crossing
They're
the
crossing the
streams.
streams.
That is fast, isn't it?
Yeah. Winston said, don't cross the streams.
No, think me, said Dr. Think.
You're right, Dr. Dankman. What was I thinking? Egon.
We forgot his name.
And we forgot his name. How could we forget his name? You dress up as him all the time. All right, who could this be? I'm just glad we got a terror dog too, right? We really wanted a terror dog. Who's in that one? This box will save for the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Another Egon! 2 Egons, wow.
We should sell this too.
All right, put that one to the side. It's a seller. All right, we're running out here. We're running out. We're getting low on boxes. Oh, boy. Come on, Slimer. Glow-in-the-dark Slimer. Come on. Who's this one? Who's this one? I'm going to put Winston in this box. What do we got? Oh, we got Winston. I mean, yes, Winston. Show the camera. Show him. Yes. So now we have all 4 Ghostbusters. Deen it, deen it. See if I can make the camera see them a little bit better. It's our second video, so bear with us. We're getting it. We're getting there. We'll perfect the videos as we go on, right? Wow. Here's the team. Very cool.
Let's do some more. These are amazing.
Oh, you sure you want to do more? Or why don't we just stop now?
No.
Oh, okay. We can do more. Whoops. Oh, boy. We'll edit that out, okay?
Maybe a ghost did that.
Which ghost?
Maybe Slimer.
Oh, Slimer.
Oh, Igor.
Igor. Vigo. And who's in that one, buddy? Actually, let's see who we're missing. We're missing Tully. We don't have Tully. Another Ray. We're missing Janine.
We
Tully.
should sell this one.
Well, it's an extra one, right? It's another Ray. Ray to the side. Bonk. That's empty. Okay. Uh-oh, we're running out. We're running out. We only got 4 left here. It's not looking good to get the glow-in-the-dark Slimer. But we have hope. We have hope. Keep the hope, right? Keep the hope. All right, who's next? Who's next? Okay, who brought the dog? We're just gonna keep spitting out. That's a seller. You put him in that box. Sorry, I cheated and peeked.
Another Winston.
Another Winston. You're making a mess here, buddy. All right, 3 left. Oh boy.
Oh boy, where's glow-in-the-dark Slimer?
Where is the glow-in-the-dark Slimer?
Maybe this is it.
Maybe.
Can you hear me?
All right. Let's see what we got in this one. Oh. Who's that? Oh, that's awesome. It's Tully. That's a funny one.
Okay, who brought the dog? Blah, blah,
Rah,
blah,
rah.
blah.
Wait, let's do this one. Let's do this one too next. Are you the key master? Okay.
The two dog is eating his papa.
Oh, that's not good. All right, 2 left. Here we go. Okay. It's getting down to the wire.
We got only one more.
One more after this one.
I wanted it to be. I wanted.
Who's that? Oh, another cell one.
We got to put this one in. This one.
All right, last one.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh boy.
You think you're going to start Slimer?
I don't think so. Let's see. Who's it gonna be? Hey, it's Janine!
Where's the glow-in-the-dark Slimer?
We didn't get it. Oh man.
Now what we going to do?
Get more? I can't afford to get more. This was an expensive one. But we got a lot of good ones, buddy. We got the whole set of the Ghostbusters. We got a Slimer. If anything, I can go on eBay and get just the glow-in-the-dark one, so not a problem. The Terror Dog. I think you were really happy to get the Terror Dog. And then Zool. We got 2 Stay Puft Marshmallow Mans. That's awesome. You know how cool that is? Everybody loves the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bless you. Oh, all over me. Thanks for watching our opening of the Series 1 Titans vinyl figures of the Ghostbusters. These figures are really cool, right? Right, buddy? You really like them?
Play with these on
All right.
the table.
It's time to play with them, so we're going to play with them. Subscribe, like this video, share it, do what you got to do. And we'll keep posting more videos.
Look.
Ah! Every time I see Stay Puft, it makes me want to eat marshmallows. All right, see you guys. Bye.